Hey, Get Money Girl, it's been a minute, but I'm back and more ready than ever to help you turn your hustle into a thriving business. So let's get started. Welcome to the Get Money Girl Club, your ultimate go-to hub for ambitious women who are ready to build wealth, start online businesses, and unlock true financial independence and freedom. Whether you're a 9-to-5 girly, a shepreneur leveling up your hustle, or a stay-at-home or work-from-home mom wanting to make real money online, you're just in the right place because here we inspire entrepreneur goals through ideas, resources, and motivation, giving you the right tools to dream big, plan smart, and also build a life with purpose. I'm your girl Elise, and I'm here to help you step by step through launching and growing your online business. So, are you ready to make money moves? Check out our How to Start a Business bundle guide in the resource shop. Make sure you click that link in the bio because it's your blueprint to passive income and business success from the comfort of your home. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter because we have an exclusive new ebook drop that's coming out very soon, and it's packed with everything you need to kickstart your journey. If you've got the vision, we definitely got the blueprint. So let's get it. It's time to turn that vision into reality with Get Money Girl. Make sure you subscribe and tell all your girlies.